First year of doing business in India, we were obviously quite small, growing startup. We managed everything on Excel, production, recipes, billing, inventory movement. But as the business evolves, you see your manufacturing expand, you see a number of customers expand. We started finding that our accounting system was not sufficient. We needed something that was a little bit more robust, something that was easy to use, easy to implement, and something that was, quick, didn't require too much training. And then finally, we sort of narrowed down on TranZact. And really what stood out was the team was willing to work with us. I've actually used a few ERP tools. I think TranZact is a great system, but it's very important to be able to work with the team. And, I found Ritesh and his team to be exceptionally helpful and sort of available to us when we needed it. And I'm not just saying that because it's, I'm speaking to someone from TranZact. I really believe that, and I think access and sort of quick responsiveness is what is important to a small business like ours.